Gillespie Tower, Cessna 734 Bravo Tango, 27 right, ready for takeoff, remain in the pattern.
Cessna 734 Bravo Tango, Gillespie Tower, taxi up, hold short to me, 27 right.
Taxi up to and hold short, 27 right, 4 Bravo Tango.
Gillespie Tower, Cessna 707 Gulf Sierra, 27 right, request left, close traffic.
Cessna 707 Gulf Sierra, Gillespie Tower, hold short to me, 27 right.
Hold short, 27 right, 7 Gulf Sierra.
Gillespie Tower, Cessna 6460 Mike over Crest, inbound for touch and goes with India.
Cessna 646 Mike, Gillespie Tower, make straight in from me, 27 right to
Lights,
3 mile final.
cameras,
Straight in 27
we're ready to
right,
go.
3 mile final.
Got a clear view final, just waiting for takeoff clearance.
Cessna 4 Bravo Tango, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, make right down departure.
Cleared for takeoff right down with departure for Bravo Tango. Runway center line, full throttle. Gauges are in the green. Airspeed is alive.
Gulf Sierra in the upwind contact.
60 knots.
28.8 for 27 left. Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
And we're airborne.
Clear for takeoff on 27 right, 7 Gulf Sierra.
Pitch for VY.
That's a 60 Mike and 87 X-ray. If you guys could turn on your landing lights to help us pick you up on the final. It's getting a little poor visibility for us on the final.
Hey, 7 X-ray, no problem. 60 Mike, we have our landing light on, we're 3 miles, you shift now.
60 Mike, roger, thanks. Runway 27 right, clear touch and go, then make right traffic.
Clear touch and go, right traffic, 60 Mike.
Cherokee 7 X-ray, you're following the Cessna over the freeway at 1,900, report them in sight. Runway 27 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, following the Cessna, looking for him. 87 X-ray. Cherokee 82 uniform, request frequency change.
Cherokee 8 uniform, frequency change approved, yes.
Wind check.
Wind estimated calm.
Wind calm. Alright, pattern altitude.
87 X-ray, still negative out. 87 X-ray has crest in sight.
Cherokee 7 X-ray.
1,600 feet, pattern altitude. Keep our airspeed no higher than 100 knots in the pattern. Get it set up for a good landing. Probably move over a little bit to the left. Kind of a tight downwind. Picking up some rain, which is fine. Gillespie Tower, 4 Bravo, 734 Bravo Tango, beam the numbers.
Set the 4 Bravo Tango, follow with the Cherokee on base approaching the final from a 27 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, following the Cherokee base to final for Bravo Tango. Got the Cherokee in sight. Begin our descent. Power 1700. Carb heat on. Rain, check. 80 knots. Our base. Looking good right now. 70. Alright, drop our first set of flaps. 10 degrees. About to make our base to final turn. Final clear. Traffic is already on the runway, so we're good for that. Drop our second set of flaps, 25 degrees. Kind of high. Drop our third set of flaps.
Gillespie Tower, Cessna 5495 Delta, runway holding short at runway 27 left, request for right downwind departure and a slight delay on the runway.
Airspeed looking good.
That's fire for 95 Delta.
Not going to need that last set of
information
flaps.
Positive, 95 Delta.
You said positive?
95 Delta, I have India.
Roger, the frequencies are split. You should be on tower frequency 123.8.
Sorry about that, thank you, 95 Delta. Mike down.
Idle.
Cessna 60 Mike, runway 27 right, cleared, touch and go.
Cleared, touch and go, 27 Mike, 60 Mike.
Okay. Carb heat in. Flaps up. And let's go. Alright, we got some traffic on our left here. Gonna be a factor though.
Hey, 7 X-ray downwind, and I'd say your visibility is down around 7 miles now.
Cherokee 7 X-ray, roger, thanks. You're following the Cessna ahead on base, runway 27 right, cleared, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, 27 right, looking for the Cessna, 87 X-ray.
It's humid in this airplane. Get our right turn. Need some right runner, rudder. Got a skidding or a slipping turn. Alright, there's that plane we had. Alright, I'm gonna slow down here. This guy's slow for some reason. there's that Piper that we were following earlier. Looks like he's also staying in the pattern, so we're gonna need to slow down a little bit here.
That's 4 Bravo Tango, number 2, following crash number 3, following the Cherokee Heavy unit downwind, big beam rattlesnake, runway 27 right, clear, touch and go.
Number 3, clear, touch and go, and following the Cherokee ahead of us for Bravo Tango. You know, I wish you'd speed up just a little bit. He's a little too close for my comfort here at the moment. I'm gonna slow down a little bit because I don't want to get...
Cherokee 7 X-ray, the preceding Cessna is touching down.
Hey, 7 X-ray, yeah, we had enough sight.
I don't know when they're gonna make their turn to base. We're cruising at 75 knots right now. I don't know, he's pretty slow. That's fine. Enjoy the view while we're up here. I mean, we're flying. It's awesome.
Cessna 60 Mike, traffic ahead in the right crosswind is a tailwind departure.
60 Mike, coming inside.
We need some air in here. Oh my goodness. Once that airplane's abeam us, we'll get ready to start setting up for landing. No other traffic coming into the pattern. And the preceding traffic is abeam-us. Let's begin our turn. Already within flap speed range, drop our first set.
Tower, Cessna 132 for us at 27 right, request right now in departure.
Cessna 1324 Echo, go left turn, taxi up, hold short to May 27 right.
Monkey power 1600 is fine for this.
Cessna 154 Echo.
I don't know, I feel like he flew the long down. Maybe I just flew a short down one before. And we're coming around the mountain. Here's that traffic. Turn final. Ah, there he is. He's almost over the runway. We're good. Second set of flaps. 1500. Airspeed's good. Drop it to 1200. Third set of flaps.
60 Mike, beam for full stop.
That's the 60 Mike before turning final.
And we'll probably be a full stop after this one as well.
Clear to land, 27 right, report final, 60
Like I said, just a hops, just a little, few hops around the pattern. Airspeed is good, 60 knots, got a little bit of power, and good. Alright, so bring back power. Idle.
Pay attention to all aircraft. Final speed is Juliet. Current to an estimated variable at 5 altimeter 2997.
Curb heat in. Flaps up. Full throttle.
Set 24 Echo Cessna is in the pattern. Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff. Make right down departure.
Clear for takeoff.
And this will be our last
Says 124 Echo.
trip around the pattern here. Then we'll go home, make a drink, call it a night.
Cessna 60 Mike traffic, turning a 2 mile, final for 27 left Cessna.
Negative contact 6.
They're at 1,500.
60 Mike, we got you. Hey, 7 X-ray, just turn downwind, this will be a full stop.
Cherokee 7 X-ray Ranger, you're following Cessna ahead on right face, runway 27 right, clear the line.
I'm going to those trees. If I had to land.
Number 2, clear the land 27 right, 87 X-ray.
Where are they?
Mike, turning final.
Cessna 60 Mike, Roger, thanks.
Pattern altitude. It's weird, we went from tight to medium to wide. Bring it in just a little bit. This is fine.
Cessna 4 Bravo Tango, follow the Cherokee ahead, downwind, approaching base, runway 27 right, clear, touch and go.
For following the Cherokee and for 4 Bravo Tango, this will be a full stop.
Cessna 4 Bravo Tango, Roger, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Cleared line up for Cherokee, 4 Bravo Tango, thanks. Da, 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 bum, bum. Traffic is turning base.
Set 60 Mike, hold short, runway 27 left, remain this frequency.
Hold short 27 left, remain on this frequency, 60 Mike.
Left down 27 Go Foxtrot, 900 miles north, 2,500, information Juliet.
Set 27 Go Foxtrot, Gillespie Tower, make right traffic, runway 27 right.
Right traffic 27 right, Cessna 7 Go Foxtrot.
The traffic is a beam. Let's begin our base.
Gillespie Tower, this Cherokee 448227 right, request right 270 departure.
Begin our descent.
Set 60 Mike, cross runway 27
Power
left, and contact
1700.
Class 27 left, contact ground 60 Mike.
Cherokee calling for a right 270 departure, Gillespie Tower, hold short, runway 27 right.
Holding short, Cherokee 44820.
And the white, first degree to flaps, or set of flaps, 10 degrees. Power 1500.
Gillespie Tower, Cessna 5495 Delta, north of Crest, inbound for touch and goes with information India.
Set the 5495 Delta, Gillespie Tower straight in, runway 27 right, report 3 mile final.
Report 3 mile final, 27 right, 95 Delta.
We kind of flew a little too close to rattlesnake there. Now we're drifting into the left. Yeah, terrible approach. Terrible approach.
Cessna 4 Bravo Tango, change to runway 27 left, cleared land, follow Cessna short final, 1S turn approved.
1S turn approved, and we're switching to 27 left following Cessna for Bravo Tango. Why did he do that?
Cherokee 87 X-ray, hold short, runway 27 left, remain this frequency.
Hold short, 27 left, stay with you, 87 X-ray.
Cherokee 80, right 270 approved, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
27 right, 820.
Gillespie Tower, is the traffic ahead of us a full stop?
Cessna 4 Bravo Tango, it appears he's a touch and go.
Thanks.
95 Delta, 3 miles final.
Cessna 95 Delta, runway 27 right, clear touch and go.
If he was a full stop, that would have been a go around. There's no way he's getting off the runway and I'm getting on the runway. That's okay, we saved it. Okay, that was not our best landing, but it was okay. Aerodynamic braking. We'll get off at Delta 3.
Cherokee 87 X-ray, expedite, cross runway 27 left and contact ground.
Cross distance left, contact ground, 87 X-ray.
Cessna 4 Bravo Tango, thank you for your help, contact ground.
You're welcome, and we'll go to ground for Bravo Tango. Have a great rest of your weekend.
You too.
Ugh, get some air in here. Gillespie ground, Cessna 734 Bravo Tango Delta 3, request taxi +1.
Cessna 734 Bravo Tango, go for ground. Taxi via Delta Alpha Base Tower.
Delta Alpha Base Tower for Bravo Tango, thanks.
Gillespie ground, Cherokee 2587 X-ray at Bravo Delta, taxi to fuel.
Cherokee 2587 X-ray, that's ground fuel, taxi via Bravo 4 across runway 35.